Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm the Welding, proud member of the Blue Crew here at Blue Demon, and today I want to talk to y'all about making sure that you always keep your bag full. What do I mean by that, right? What I mean by that is, us as welders, we've always got a few things available to us if we pay enough attention that can help us out and make our life easier. And today in particular, I'm talking about the Blue Demon MIG Mist anti-spatter. Now you might ask, Okie, why would I need that? Well, there's 3 applications in particular that you could greatly benefit from using the MIG Mist from Blue Demon. 1 being the MIG process, 2 being flux core, and 3 being carbon arc. I mean, think about it. There's nothing worse than getting the perfect prep. You've got your machine dialed to perfection, and after all that prep and making sure everything's right, it's peppered in buckshot, and it looks like that time that you snuck in to Earl's backyard when you were younger to visit his daughter. No? Well, I can relate. So what I'm going to do here to demonstrate is I'm going to show you an example of welding with MIG without using any anti-spatter. And then I'm going to show you an example of welding with MIG using the MIG Mist from Blue Demon. And you can decide for yourself whether it's something that you need to throw into your bag on the daily, like I do. So I'm going to be using my ProPulse 220 here in the background from HTP. Let's get the settings dialed and let's get rolling. So what I've got here is 2 pieces of 1/4 inch A36 carbon steel, like so. I'm going to make a T-joint out of it. I'm going to weld on one side with no MIG Mist, weld on the other using MIG Mist, and then we'll compare the results together. Oh wait, you know we've got to have the proper PPE. 1 second. Yeah, that's more like it. Let's get to it. All right, so I've got 30 thousandths Blue Demon ER70S6 MIG wire. I got my machine set to 18.5 volts and 250 inches per minute on wire feed speed, and I got my CFH regulator set to roughly 30. Let's go ahead and get it tacked up, and we'll start with no MIG Mist, which is no bueno. Now, I gotta give hats off to the machine that I'm running. First pass, not much spatter, but I'm gonna run multiple beats and we'll see what happens as that spatter starts to build up pass after pass, not using anti-spatter. Alright, so you saw it run without the MIG Mist. Now, before I show you the footage of using the MIG Mist, what I want to do is show you the proper way to apply it. Now, remember, it's called MIG Mist for a reason, not Super Soaker or anything else, okay? It's literally less is more when it comes to this product, which is good because it lasts you longer and it's more bang for your buck. So the way we will apply this is a light spray. That's it. That's all you need. You'll notice if you pay close attention that I do that every single pass. One more time. That's all you need. Not this. Don't waste your money. Just a light spray is all you need. I do that every single pass. One quick spray and you're good to go. No dingleberries, no buckshot. So as you can see, still smoking, just got done. This is the side with no MIG Mist used. You can see the spatter all along the top edge, and there's spatter everywhere, right? Even though the weld looks decent and I'm not the best MIG hand in the world, you've got all that excess cleanup that does not have to be done. Now, if we turn it around, I haven't even hit this with a buffing wheel yet, and you can already tell that there is a little bit of spatter here and there, but I guarantee you all that'll come off, and that's all from using the MIG Mist from Blue Demon. Now I'm gonna flip it around one more time. Look at that difference. Look at all the spatter. All from a couple sprays of something to help you eliminate excess work that is unnecessary, and it's making your product look not as aesthetically pleasing as it could. And there you have it, y'all. The results are right in front of you. You saw them for yourself. I mean, look, at the end of the day, us as welders, our job is hard enough. So why make things harder when there's supplies and tools like these in particular to help maximize our time and effort? And I will say, I've used all kinds of anti-spatter over the years. Blue Demon suggests just a light squirt, and that's what you saw in the video. I was not excessive, but now I will tell you my number one pet peeve of anti-spatter in the past has been if you spray too much and it's too wet. If you're running MIG or flux core, it will cause porosity. I've tested it. I can make another video on it if you would like, where I just douse it entirely. I have yet to have it cause me a problem with porosity. So that seals the deal for me. And hey, I've loved chatting with you, spreading exposure and awareness on a product that I think all of us need to have in our bag. So make sure, hit the link in the description, check it out, try it for yourself, and until next time,